ana pe wa shede si wani e fata nso
se we no ho adawa tu
ehiam broni a wakatwi
adawa che me se my imagine se me mani hu na de pam ti me kai bible na dwunyina na
yo
but you two fu no enti awahwe abekwa ante ade ese me hu se me sorara mani sati prunsu sa na mse ene agya meye ndan cause ade we ase wo tire na ase wo ye nyini ntembi na wo ya ye
there be emfa ho
ese ma
emfa
na ase wo nyini ntembi wo so space na ase ye boy de kakra no wo start se ka ho na ase wo se small boys and girls at school for the end wo no che se wo mu di frase ntem ne ya boy de sande ne o di ko ya na ase
bra kwesi lamba so den I say please play me Adom Christmas song. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas.
Yes, yeah, wishing you be.
If you know Adom Christmas song, Chrono Cano.
The one here. See you be
Afishapo, ya mama afishapo, Adom FM mama afishapo, ya mama afishapo, ya mama afishapo, Adom FM mama afishapo, afisi sena, obiara tike, orite 106.3, afisi sena.
Ose
e fin se apanyom ne de de ene nyum no enyum
koyi pa
sesi subiem o ye de a wo bona bien
me sesi subio na o me pepes no
o ye de a wo bona bien bobia o sim bobia no apie na sije pepes mo asem ya tia sem kroya
yeah fast dama CBG we stand with you Vodafone together we can access bank more than banking latex from your partner for life yenda wono masi answer that's and then the bebo nyoma na 20th aka 5 days na edi bronya fa statesman o de fa ba mi oni bi fatwu mami wo ya na fe ya sambo Adom enyum no
ene statesman da obokrata Mampeni Nana Kwakufu Ado Enra NPP Amanyoko Wamo National Delegates Conference ya we Kumasi no mu no wabo NPP Amanyoko no koko se de wo ye bia so wamo pese 2024 abato no wodi mu nkunim dia obi ama nani na ho Amanyoko na nkasa mu no esese wamo atimi tutu niema yie na wamo mesi wamo ntoma gufin wabonten na yanom soso amfa anhata ne kama ama wamo enti we eye kokobo ya wode ma na Amanyoko NPP mefa daily graphic entwaso arapa daily graphic enso obama ne wode mampani krono afoni na ato ha sei ena wo se 2024 aba ebekwa akoto no senkunim betimi akọ ediama NPP a ene wo mo ankasa ginaye bia wo mo esie no wo mo hu se ginaye a ebeboa Amanyoko no ama wo mo tumi abrekisa 8 years na wo mo ede ato ho no enti mampani eda ha se a wo ma nensa so akire wiemu saa na E-Levy nsoso ehon sensem ena ene telecommunication enyumako ni bi chese wo mo ye bibi ene abai no aboa sebe ya eso betumi atienti wo mo nsoso ese wo mo ede nhyehyɛ egu akwam MTN ene Tigo wo mo se wo mo eye bibi ama wo mo buo no so ate sebe ya abai ede na ode ba no amanfo nso ekomu ebedwe wo mo ho na wo ho ahai wo mo kakra NHIS wo mo so eko digital ne bi ezese wo mo de wo mo claims ene bibia eko digital enti sese NHIS wo mo so to anamofofro Dr. Danso mametiwa ado neba wacha se wawie school ewo UCC na ene abasobode a waje no bebrebe bese dunum ena waje ni nyina ede aboso eno anopai daily graphic ensem ode baaye ebi enim Jesse Ghanaian Times nso ede na mede to asui hanso ono nangelode ebaaye efree NPP delegates conference no mu no ose mampani se ahoshaso ene betumi aboa NPP ama 2024 wo matimi adi nkunim ewo abaye beto no mu enti de wo bi de ye obi de de anyi obi de wo office yetia wo naso na ka okese no wo ka wi na watwa so wo nso abetia naso wo beti obi naso wo no nso ka naso de si wanim wi a na nso so chopa no wapa na ne mo komonim a se eba sa de a sa NPP for ebotaye no ebetumi abam ama wo mu ye ka sei from antemo nso wo chese covid vaccines no en dodo be sempim du mienu ahanso ne aduoche ena ekoduru ho no ma amanfo so wo mu ngonti akwa asai ama sabere yakose ni nyina Samuel Abujinapo sofo a wo hwe yensase ene emu ene mapaso ena ono so de ababetodwa wo se ensiseye ye fa ensasesem ho ya waye at 1036 no wose yanyintum na beboa ama yetimi aye yensase ho ensese yie ena na no nso so keteke mienu ye kopim mu gen ewo Wassa Manso nipa nan ena wo mo hire wo mo nkwa ewo mu enipa nsia nso ena sese ye kyese efia nkwanta ya sabia ye do makogu a wo mu pra ano oden pa enti anopai de GT Ghanaian Times wono so nensem ya wodi piepie ye ebi ena maboso no asa
ensa akakra
asa na we no kra no
woko Adom online na uni musician pato ranking
why
uni pato ranking
why nzamini na ngamisa so
oya jomtini
oya to nyumba ni nyumba ne sai
yeah
na brown to me trust we manim sa I mean
no enyum obusa enyum na bi na etu wa kire wa ma Kofi Hassan
o se dey
Adom online report say wenya akwanhia
onko se manim na die na so
teacher kwadwo so the response aba
o se yayi na di
yayi na di the response aba eme wo hasisi e
na ono no yayi na di say
response no ha. I don't know if I have some time.
No, no social media no. I say yen that's when you serious be I say ade no enkan no enye
say onim ne awo ye nti
aso almost am yi me adio.
Yeah. The response no ha no na me hwehwe yi. Response na.
O so wate ase.
Me hwehwe na.
O so ye yi na dia wate ase.
Oh yeah.
On continue school na obi ana wosika e diti school bra. Obi ana wosika e diti school.
In press statement by Michael Owusu Afriye teacher Kwadwo Enra. And this our press statement no ebaye. And its response to decision by the Ghana Education Service to recommend my summary dismissal from the service. On Friday, 17 December 2021, I received a letter from the Regional Education Office informing me that the management has taken a decision to terminate my appointment from the Ghana Education Service. According to the letter, the reasons for my dismissal relate to 1. My absence without permission for 55 days from school. 2. My failure to prepare and submit lesson notes for vetting by the headmaster. 3. My failure to respond to queries served on me by the headmaster and the school support officer as evidence of my gross insubordination. On Sunday, 19 December 2021, the said letter was, contrary to my protected privacy interest and the code of conduct of the GES, released into the public domain by persons working with the GES through their surrogate. And then say no person say abetodwa say Ghana Education Service say woma yinedi ne di kan nyina so amugina so and say for 55 days wa madwuma
they say the whole term
once a kwan so
whole term
ne toso mienu enso so say woma one prepare lesson note and submit it for vetting by the headmaster ne toso miensa and it's queries and subodo do ende bo no one respond na se wo mu ade
and let us say ono gitum say yes sir
and no mu nkyeremu na isi ode ba ofa ne mako akyerem na ewa absence without permission no ne awo kyere nie. 1, contrary to the claims by the GES that I was absent from school for 55 days without permission, I state categorically that this information is false and misleading. 2, in fact, during the proceedings, the committee established that on the relevant occasions, I had at all times received permission from the head of my institution. 3, the committee heard from colleague teachers and established that, in fact, the head of my institution put in place a flexible working arrangement that enabled me to teach while taking Fridays off to enable me seek sponsorship for the school and the district. All those days was covered by substitute teachers. The committee also established that the headmaster actually informed the entire teaching staff that because I had taken on the task of seeking support for sponsorship for the school and that this was yielding results, he had decided to make it flexible for me to enable to combine my official teaching duties with my school responsibilities for the school and the district. I was encouraged to say, no, just say, code bi GS code of conduct no baby wo hono ma kire say one me school kran went me e ho nya so be kire krata utimi the word of mouth so we be na me yare ana na me tu kwan e ji say bia wo tu kwan akwa manone into okoti GS code 3.15 say ntia no de committee no mu ni nyina so bi in fact wa fan sem ni nyina makoma e wa pa wa kirem me koba megibe na fe makenkan ne e ka ho ni nyina
ai sa no labor committee for bebe
ono so kire say kwan e fa so a ne dismissal letter no e beto social media no o de ama ne lawyer because etieti and fan hu die so
enti eyara wode ama lawyer idie na ne lawyer nso be taking it up na baby a ye de be kwa akofa no ye de akofa ho nti teacher kwaju but don't take it easy dey ya aba no aye say betumi akanso ama na twa na etu akotwere baby atwere nti ene esije me former MP ensuta kwa ma be poso happy belated birthday osai kwa mprempe lawyer osai kwa me prempe happy belated birthday enkoma no ai
Yamishano but okay on him said 24th Kojantri Ebo the Icon
24th day
event center Icon the Icon
Odembeko
Ewo East Legon
Odembeko
Bacho akonta ho
there be oni ho
she said and woni ho nti and I was say me fa
say ne say onu aba asre eso na so nti woni ho edie na nka abetumi
okay me do be ka ho me se me do be den
e be ka ho
Kojantri ni nyum ben pa na ye wo de
ne nyum no de bebrew but de
bobako
ne nyum aye me de pa ye ebrebi beba me come anu atum
my osama
me ka se biem ebrebi beba se wo bo me dia me tumi yesu bi
me da se emrante no aba wo me da se eno man timi ambo
na de timi o mi sa to ana o no ma